Welcome of our YouTube channel Cryptocurrency Crystal Details. Today we are going to deep dive RBI's CBDC pilot. How will things change with the e-rupee? Also we will understand the difference between digital rupee app, cryptocurrency. Also similar type of project like Project Cedar, by Federal Reserve Bank of New York, Project Orem by financial authorities in Hong Kong. And Project Ubin Plus by Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS. All the said project by different financial regulator of different country are exploring the different use case of central bank digital currency, CBDC. Central bank digital currency, CBDC, is the digital form of the country's fiat currency, rupee, issued by the central bank, RBI. RBI has identified 9 banks including State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Union Bank of India, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Yes Bank, IDFC First Bank and HSBC for the participation in the pilot launch of digital rupee wholesale segment. The central bank added that the pilot project for a retail version of the digital rupee will be launched in a month. The use case for this pilot is settlement of secondary market transactions in government securities, the RBI described. Use of e-rupee is expected to make the interbank market more efficient. Settlement in central bank money would reduce transaction costs by preempting the need for settlement guarantee infrastructure or for collateral to mitigate settlement risk. The RBI noted that future pilots will focus on other wholesale transactions and cross-border payments. Let's understand how it is going to transform our existing system. What is digital rupee? Digital rupee, also known as central bank digital currency, CBDC, is a digital form of currency notes issued by a central bank. It is substantially not different from banknotes, but being digital it is likely to be easier, faster and cheaper. It also has all the transactional benefits of other forms of digital money. How the pilot is going to work. All identified 9 banks has already a rupee account and a bond account with RBI. Now banks have to open a CBDC account connected to RBI's CBDC server. Let's start with existing structure first. Where will it be applicable? How the pilot is going to work. All identified 9 banks has already a rupee account and a bond account with RBI. Now banks have to open a CBDC account connected to RBI's CBDC server. New setup. Banks send indent to RBI to transfer a particular amount from its rupee account held at RBI to CBDC account maintained at RBI. Once this transfer is completed and amount is transferred to CBDC account, now bank will monitor CSIL, Clearing Corporation of India, portal to buy or sell bonds. The transfer of funds and bonds happens between bank itself, without any intervention of any existing structure. Banks send indent to CSIL to transfer a particular amount from its rupee account held at RBI to CSIL account maintained at RBI. Once this transfer is completed and amount is transferred to CSIL account, now bank will monitor CSIL, Clearing Corporation of India, portal to buy or sell bonds. CSIL portal is similar to exchange portal where trading of shares happens. At the end of day CSIL along with NPCI does the settlement of funds and further transfer of bonds to buyer bank. The funds are settled in T+1 by an intermediary as CSIL. This type of settlement is called as net settlement with delay of 1 day. How does it work? Similar to checking the bank balance, one can check the balance in the wallet. CBDC will be based on blockchain technology. Individuals will be able to pay it to whomever they want to pay and it will reach their account. CBDCs are of 2 types: central bank digital currency wholesale, which is used for large amounts of transactions, and in the second phase, central bank digital currency retail will be used for retail. Central bank digital currency wholesale will be used by large financial institutions, including banks, large non-banking finance companies and other big transaction institutions. The Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, has launched a new program called Ubin Plus to test cross-border currency transactions using central bank digital currency, CBDC. MAS has launched a new program called Ubin Plus to test cross-border currency transactions using central bank digital currency, CBDC. Ubin Plus will try to explore various use cases for CBDC, such as connectivity between CBDC and other digital assets, forex and liquidity management. The Federal Reserve Bank of New York has published findings stemming from an experiment dubbed Project Cedar, a protocol that uses a wholesale digital dollar in order to improve financial transactions. Financial authorities in Hong Kong have unveiled a prototype of the Chinese Autonomous Territory's own central bank digital currency called Project Aurum. The two-tier platform features a wholesale interbank and a retail. I have started another series of video covering daily analysis of cryptocurrency, covering its global, local perspective along with crypto news and a relevant story or fact at the end. In short, Crypto Highlights is covered on daily basis so as to have incremental knowledge. It is suggested to check the playlist and learn this technology and amazing world of cryptocurrency daily together. I need your support badly and request all of you to encourage me by subscribing, liking, sharing this video to your friends/families. Also comment if you wish I should cover any topic in particular. Let's learn this fascinating world of cryptocurrency together.